Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day. My name is Jake, President and CEO of Nude Nicotine Incorporated down here in sunny San Diego, California. I'm actually here to talk to you about something having nothing to do with San Diego, but having everything to do with Canada. This is big news in the electronic cigarette world. Health Canada previously had a very large restriction on importation of nicotine products into the country due to their jurisdiction as drugs. They were, or call them, requiring a new drug application, for lack of better terminology here too. Health Canada considered any product that contained nicotine as jurisdicted as a nicotine replacement therapy product or a smoking product. Either one of those would have had to go through a pretty rigorous process of substantial testing, clinical trials, toxicology, environmental assessment, the whole deal. Very thankful and proud of them for releasing the Customs Notice 18-05 on May 23rd, about a week and a half ago. This gives rise to what they call the Tobacco and Vaping Products Act, the TVPA. This act specifically gives consumers rights to import and use nicotine products containing equal or less than 66 milligrams per milliliter of nicotine. Most of the closed systems that you guys are going to use are well within that concentration, and even most of the nicotine bases that you guys use are within that concentration. 60 milligram per milliliter will be the hot import from US into Canada for consumers, but for commercial manufacturers, the story's a little bit different. As long as we are doing business to business, B2B, not B2C, there is no restriction on the concentration. We have to fall within the jurisdiction of what is appropriate to ship under the shipping classifications of IATA, and of course ascribing the appropriate UN number. So, above board shipping is required, of course, but concentrations are not of a limit. Requires a special letter from, say, our company to your company describing the nature of the product and that it's intended for dilution at a consumer level below 66 milligrams per milliliter once this comes to light. But therein lies the new open market. This is very awesome for a bunch of companies that we have yet to be able to do business north of the border. But more importantly, I'm really interested in your guys' comments too. This is a really interesting bill. They released this customs notice, which I'll post online for you guys to see, as well as the regulatory initiative for the TVPA. This is kind of a more lengthy document, and we're hoping that there'll be a full release after Senate confirmation, hopefully sometime this month of June. But please let us know your questions. If you guys are in Canada and you'd like some additional information or you'd like to test out a route of shipping, we'd be more than happy to do so. Definitely my honor to serve you. Thank you very much for your time. Cheers.